Good morning students, I am your geography teacher. So today we are going to discuss one new chapter. The chapter name is migration trends. It is where you can say the second last chapter for the first term examination. Okay. So here we have to discuss about the migration. Okay, migration trends. So one by one. So some basic concept before starting this chapter, we have to know some basic concept of migration. Okay, so this thing we have to follow. First thing, the what is migration? This thing we have to know. What is migration? So the movement of the population from one place to another place. Okay, this is known as a migration. Okay, one place to another place, that is, and migration may be, you can say, the permanently or you can say the temporarily. Okay, so on the basis of the stability, on the basis of their, you can say, the staying at that place, that can be divided only then. When people migrate permanently for a new places on one place to another, this is known as the permanent. Okay, that is called as a permanent migration. And if you want to discuss, and if you person move, you can say the for temporary purpose, means if you person or if you students go to one area to another area for education purpose, or one thing you can say the for the for their education, for their medical purpose, so that time it is called the temporary or the daily or the seasonal. Okay, seasonal migration. Migrant person, what the person, we can see the person, a migrant person, one who gives the census and was, you can say, the move from one place to another place from his birthplace. Okay, from his birthplace means where he got, you can say, the he got birth. So from that place he shipped to the another place. Okay, so this person or this, you can say, that called the migrant person, is maybe the male or female, anything can be, any one can be do in this regard. Okay, so they can migrate. Out migration and in migration, for this terminology, when a people leave, you can say, the a place or migrate to some other place, that is called the out migration. Okay, if a person leave from one place to another place, so that is called the out migration. Okay, but when a people come from come from that place, or that is known as the, you can say, what, that is known as the in migration. Okay, in migration we have to know. So migration always alerts, you can say, the affects the population of that regions, because we have already discussed in my online class also. We discussed a lot about this, that the people always try to move from one area to another area for certain reasons. Okay, for certain, you can see the problem is there, so that's why they are moving from one area to another area. It also affects the age and the structure of the population. So if population who are living in that area, they are living to the another area, so that time it is known as the, you can say, the population change on that area. Okay, population change. How it occurs? Actually, if the persons living in the tendency, the most of the people, they are moving from the rural area to urban area. So persons who are mainly rural area to urban area, that is the male dominant. So in the case of that, what happen, all the people, you can say, okay, all the people, male candidate, if move from that area, so new area, so that time that percentage of the, or the sex ratio of that area will degrade. That time the dependent ratio, dependent population, and you can say the dependent population and above the 60 years, and the children and women remain in the village area, and rest of them, you can say, the others people who are living in that area, means the urban area, most of the people who are living, that is the male. So there is a age and sex ratio will be there. Age structure also. Acha, communication, you can see the commutation, you can see, that includes the movement of people between two cities. So that is the between two cities, when it is moving, people moving, that is the two cities. Okay, two cities means one area to another area. Okay, that is known as the, you can say, the commutation. Okay, commutation. So commutation, one city is over there, city A, you can say, consider. Okay, and city A it is, and city B. Okay, city B. So people move from city, that is not rural to urban movement. Okay, it is not rural to urban movement, it is the movement from one city to another city, okay, due to this some fact, due to the work employment, okay. So this is considered as a commutation. Stepwise, another terminology you have to know, that is the stepwise, okay, stepwise migration. Stepwise migration. What is a stepwise migration? Sometimes you can see the people from village to, you can see the small town area, and after that they come to the new cities, big city. So this is called the stepwise migration. What happened? First time the rural area. So rural area people move to the, you can see the one of the city, means you can see the village area, okay, village area, okay, rural to a small city, then come to the town, and after that the people move to the city, okay, city or the big city or big city. So that time it is known as the stepwise migration, okay, it is called as a stepwise migration. So this is our main thing, we have to memorize this thing, and otherwise this terminology, without this terminology this chapter you cannot understand very easily, okay. Then come to the, if you want to discuss another you can say another thing we have to discuss, that is perhaps you know, that is the three waves of the Indian diaspora, or three waves of the migration, perhaps you know, three waves of the migration, stepwise migration, okay. So this we have to mention, okay, three waves of Indian diaspora, okay. So that is to discuss with this diaspora. So previously we discussed about this. So three diaspora, you can say the wave 1, wave first wave, second wave and third wave, okay, that we have to discuss. So if the question come, what are the three waves of the Indian population migration, so that time you have to standard that the understand that the, you can say the wave, the first wave, the second wave and the third wave, okay, and the third wave. So first wave took place when, that is the time of the, during the British period, a large number of laborers from there, the, you can say that they sent to the Mauritius, they sent to the Caribbean islands, or you can say the Tobacco, then come to Guyana and Fiji, and you can say the Africa, South Africa, and by of the, from the by the British, from the, you can say the Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, and to reunion the island, so they are the, and Mozambique, to do the plantation. So this time you can say the Britishers started a number of plantation in different parts of their colonies, okay. So in these colonies they set up the you can say that they started the plantation, and due to this plantation they needed a large number of the labor. So labor, so they easily the population from the presently UP and Bihar, they moved to do that area, and easily they settled over there and do their, and do their, you can say the plantation. So this process started during the British period, and now this time if you visit in Mauritius, if you visit in Caribbean islands, if you visit in Fiji and South Africa, you can see the number of, you can see the number of Indians are living from that time also, from the Britishers time, and that generation to generation are living over there, okay. The second wave, you can see the migrants from the neighboring countries like Thailand, okay, like Thailand, Malaysia, Singapore, okay, Indonesia, Brunei and the African countries. This recent development the, for the professionals of the professionals, artisans, trader, factory workers went to the country in search of the better quality of life. So from our country they moving to the which country? Malaysia, Singapore. So first wave we have seen, that is the Mauritius and the Caribbean island and African island and Fiji. But the second wave if you want to discuss, so that time you can easily understand that is the what the, that is the Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, Brunei and the, you can say the African countries, they move to that countries from this our countries, our country, and in search of the better quality of life. The trends of the, you can see the continuous in the 1970s. 1970s the trend is also going on, and the West Asia and the large number of the skilled and semi-skilled labor went for the available opportunity for that regard. Okay. So this happened in the second wave. So and third wave. So first wave started by the British, second wave you consider we did it. Then the third wave we consider in the 1960s in the countries to operate. This period the profile professionals like doctor, engineers. Okay. So this period you consider related to the when that there is a discoveries of the oil in the Middle East countries. Okay. Third wave we consider doctor, engineers and the professionals, experts, media person. Okay, they move from to USA, Canada. Okay, so they move to USA. Okay, then you consider Canada. Okay, so all these countries they move. Australia, New Zealand, Germany after the liberalization of the 1991. Okay, 1991 our economy became liberalized. After that they go to education purpose, knowledge purpose. Okay, so they migrate from this. So these are the more or less you can see the three waves from the Indian diaspora. So far we discussed the first wave from the European beer population started to move Mauritius, Caribbean islands, and you can see the Caribbean islands, you go Guyana, then come to Tobago. Okay, these countries they move, and the Fiji and the South Africa. Second wave you can see the Malaysia, then Singapore, Indonesia, Brunei, and East Africa. For the you can see the for professional artisan, traders, factory workers. Okay, so they people move from this area to that area. Okay, and the third wave you consider people from India started to move to UK. Okay, Canada, then USA, then Australia, New Zealand, Germany for better employment, and you consider financial consultants. Okay, financial expert, consultant, media persons, they started, engineer, doctors, they also move from that area. Okay, from our area. So these are the three waves of our countries. Okay, started from this. So this much for today. Okay, this much for today. Again we will started the new chapter. So till then, bye all of you.